Snacks and apps and quick recipes for Super Bowl Sunday. Hi, Elizabeth.
Hey there, let's face it, very few of us will actually attend the big game, but we all love to tune in for home at a gathering with friends. I've got 4 super easy appetizers to show you. Let's start with these pre-made grilled cheese sticks with a creamy tomato soup dip. You can use shot glasses filled with soup for a cute dip idea and put them out on your game day table for this easy grab and go. For this idea and more, I've partnered with Farm Rich. They have a whole variety of really delicious quick snacks for adults as well as kids. You can serve them on game day and also whip up fun ideas for easy apps, snacks, meals, and casual get-togethers. Farm Rich is available in the freezer section at major grocery stores and Walmart. For your game day table, I've turned these loaded potato skins into footballs with some simple sour cream piping. Another fun idea is to stack pre-cooked meatballs on top of mozzarella bites and add a dash of marinara to this simple meatball mozzarella stack. One of my favorite apps that guests will love are these bacon bites. It's just 3 ingredients: bacon, breadstick, and brown sugar. Wrap the slice of bacon around the breadstick and then roll it in brown sugar. Pop it in an oven until the bacon is crisp and the brown sugar is caramelized. When it comes to drinks this year, I'm starting early. And these blush and mimosas from my new book, The Southern Living Party Cookbook, are wonderful. Add a splash of pineapple juice and grenadine for this new twist on this classic drink. Or make it kid-friendly and use ginger ale instead of champagne. Head to farmrich.com to find the best snack and app ideas for game day. Back to you.
Thanks, Elizabeth.